Yep. You seeing that street life? You already know that is. And oh, hold on, I'm about to show y'all my code street life. Sight. Check game street life. You already know what it is. Hey, I'm getting gas and look. It's nighttime. What does that mean? We going on a night mission. Check game. Mario the homies hit me up, and we going to the pit. We going to a pit. So right now, I'm about to link up with Mario and the homies over there at Mario's crib, and yo, your boy the play. Hey, check game street life. Not just me, y'all are too. Street life. We going to our first pit. Of course, it's a nighttime pit. As usual. So, and as per usual, like all Mopar drivers, I'm doing what? I'm putting in gas. Even these V6s drink some gas, and especially when you drive the sport all the time. So yes, street life. So right now, I'm putting some gas in. I think, where we at with gas? I think we got almost enough. I don't know how far we're gonna drive. We're driving on the other side of town. So you know what? I might need to hold off on the gas. I might need to go ahead and put a little more in here. But yes, street life. So check game. I need you right now. I need you to like, share, subscribe. Yo, your boy taking chances, man. Your boy going to nighttime car meets, going to nighttime pits. And I'm doing it for y'all, street life. I'm doing it for y'all, man. So I need you to, if this is your first time looking at one of my videos, one of my vlogs, yo, right away, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I need you to like this video. I need you to share it with all your friends and family, and go ahead and give your boy some positive encouragement. Because I've been seeing some haters on some of my short comments. So no hating, just straight good vibes. Hey, you already know street life. Ride with your boy. Turn me up, turbo. Your boy, the plug. Scar. I got that! Hey, street light. Hey, he did that. He made up. Hey, he made up for the beginning. Street life, hey, he made up for the beginning. He started off soggy, but that boy got nice and crisp, yo. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff, man. Hey, I'm trying not to cuss. YouTube. Hey, y'all see these boys? Y'all see these boys right here? You already know, man. Y'all see these boys right here? Hey, let me go over here. Hey. Y'all see it? Street life. Got that Mustang. I'm going driving that Mustang. Oh, he whipping that mud. He driving that Mustang. Hey, chicken. Hey, okay, we got that G35. We got that big boy. No, that G60. We going big body infinity. They going big body infinity. Okay. Infinity boys. That boy going big body infinity. He whipping that big body infinity on them boys. Go back in. Say what? Oh. They say they need some, hold on. Where is it at? They said there's oil out there. Oil? Yeah, they said there's some dirt to put on the oil. You gonna go again, though? Hey, he said effort. shut down. Is it oily out there? Is it oily? Is oil out there? Yeah, okay. Oh, the oil leak. Be careful, yo. Y'all heard that. Oh, yo, hold up. Yo. Street light. Street light. Hey, let them home. You can't even see that hole with all that smoke, man. Yo, he drove the fuck out that bitch, man. Okay, that BMW get ready to go in this hole, man. I heard him. Hey, get ready to go in, man. Woo! Hey, street light. Hey, got a little something in there, man. Oh, wow, yo.
Man, that shit was nuts.
Well, hey, the outside view was bananas, yo.
Hey,
that's how you drive.
Hey,
the outside view, yo. Watch, couldn't even see the car. Crazy work, yo. Let's go. We got the white Beamer. After this street life, we going to the crib. Oh, he whipping the hell out that mother. He whipping the hell. Get set, you're getting reset street line. Hey, it's all out there, street light. It's all out there. You're driving that hole though. You're driving that whole street light. Hey, he's driving that hole. He ain't scared of it. He ain't scared of that hole, man. Hey, that's how you drive that bitch, man. Oh, you got sideways, street life. Street life. Hey, that boy got sideways pulling out the pit now, yo. Check it out, street life. You already know. Check game. We came, we saw, we got crazy pit action. You already know, street life. Your boy, the plug. Scar. I'm a horse, yo. Street life. We leaving the meet, yo. We about to be out. Hey, I'ma holler at y'all on the north side. Fuck with your boy, man. Street life, we on our way home from the car meet. Got a Camaro pulled up on me, man. Y'all know I can't resist, man. He gonna slow down, he gonna wait on me. He gonna wait on me, hold on. Hey. Go. Hey, street light, a beautiful red Camaro. Street light, took off on us, man. Beautiful red. I think it's an Ls1 Camaro. Yo, that shit hard, man. Go, let's go. You gotta come get me, street light. I got blew out, street life. I got blew out by the Camaro. Yo, boy. Scar. Street life, you see that? Hey, check game. Street life, another way he said he followed me on Instagram already. Street life. Hey, listen. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. You told me what I need to be doing. Focus on, okay, look. We got another Durango. Hold on. They don't want to play. Now, I'll race the Durango now. Hey, still like, I'll race the Durango. Yes. Street life. I want to thank you, man. Thank you, Street life. I want to thank the algorithm of the universe, man. Let's go. Y'all saw that, Street life. Get that go fast fall, man. That boy. Scar. Look, Street life, I knew it. I knew that go fast boy was gonna give me that. Scar. Whipping on the loop, yo. Found out, homie already follow your boy. Yo, keep going. Let's go. Drive it. Let's see if he go drive it for us, Street life. Drive it. He just driving. Well, why you driving next to me, man, if you don't want to drive that house? I told y'all already know, look. Y'all know, that's that swap, look. 6.6, baby. Tell them. Let's go, Street life. You already know. Yes, sir. Let's go. You already know, street life. It's your boy TJ with the plug. We got that boy. Hey.